2, 3.
This ingredient list really quick, and then I'm gonna let y'all see my beautiful face. So we got some smoked paprika, some dill seeds. I need some regular dill. We're gonna use a little bit of this because like this is what I got. Some onion powder, some sweet relish, some Himalayan sea salt, of course some black salt. I know it's pink, but it's called black salt for the egg taste. We have some yellow mustard, some garlic powder, Hellmann's vegan mayo. Here is the pickle juice that was mixed with black salt that I used to pickle the mushroom caps. So we got those over there draining a little bit. Right now I have a whole can of chickpeas here in the Ninja. Let's get started. Whatever we need to do, that's what we're about to do to the can of chickpeas. Took a few minutes. I'm sorry, that only took a few seconds. Alright. We're going to take them and pour them into our bowl. That looks like egg yolk a little bit. So we're going to start with our mayo. Mustard if I had opened it. Mustard. Sweet relish. And again, as you can see, we're not measuring. Tabitha didn't measure. I don't know what's supposed to go in here. And I'm going to add something in that's a little different. I prefer my deviled eggs, or when I ate eggs, with Miracle Whip and not mayo. So since Hellmann's mayo isn't as sweet as Miracle Whip, I'm gonna put a little bit, just a tinge of sugar. Now that's completely optional. Don't do that if you like the more authentic taste made with mayo. Leave it that way. If you're a Miracle Whip person and you can't find the Hampton Creek just mayo, then just put a little bit, not a lot like you're trying to sweeten it, but just to kind of knock the edge off the flavor. How much of this egg black salt to put in here, but we're just gonna go with the spirit, y'all. Okay, and then let's put a little bit of dill, not too much because it's dill seeds and not dill flakes, and just a little bit of regular salt. Simple Truth organic cane sugar. All right, just a little bit. Okay. All right, let's start to mix it up. It smells right 80. So let's see. Give my husband at least eat one of these. He loves mushrooms, so we're gonna see. All right, might have been just enough. I think I might need a little more mayo, not mayo, a little more mustard. The coloring is a little off, but we're gonna see. Okay, go, taste test. All right, so take it out. Pick the mushroom caps. Put them over here, and I'm gonna fill them, and we're gonna see what I do. All right. Okay, so we're all done. Let's get into these deviled, I'm sorry, forgive me, Lord, these saved eggs, okay? Call them what they are, okay? So I'm gonna give you a closer look at the eggs. Okay. Get into them. Okay. So this was done with a small container of the Simple Truth organic white mushrooms. They're my favorite. So here's the thing. Your girl used to absolutely hate mushrooms, right? So this is really about to be a test of how good this recipe really is. Then, when I became a vegan, I learned to tolerate certain mushrooms. And of the mushrooms, this is the one I can tolerate the most, the white mushroom. But I prefer mine cooked and cooked down. Like, I like to cook them, right? So this would be me eating a raw mushroom. Y'all give your girl strength, okay? So, now, like I was saying, I still have some mixture left over. So, guess who having an egg salad sandwich tomorrow? Your girl. I think that that's gonna be really good. I got some tomato, lettuce, onion, you know, whatever. I'm gonna make me a whole nice little sandwich. And if I'm feeling a little fancy, because you may not know this about me, right? But I feel deep down inside that I'm British, right? That's really where I'm from, by way of Jamaica. Okay, it's a whole nother story. So I really love tea time, and the little egg salad sandwiches are absolutely amazing to me, and I can't have them anymore because I'm vegan. So I might just put that on some white bread instead of being fancy, but we will see. So again, this is what we have, and here's the first taste. I'm really nervous. It's like the eggs are juicy. Oh, and by the way, the mushrooms are very slippery once you take them out of the pickle juice. I let mine sit for 24 hours, but I think you can do it for like 3-4 hours or something like that. Let's see, y'all. I don't know what I do. Okay. Don't mean to be smacking in your ear. That does not taste like a mushroom. This is actually good. And it definitely has egg flavor. Okay. So this is absolutely delicious, okay? Even if you don't like mushrooms, you can eat this because the pickle juice and the egg salt kind of removes the whole mushroom flavor altogether. So you just really have the texture, and because it's been pickled, it really has like an egg-like texture. This is amazing. I will make these again. They're so good, okay? Right now, I'm gonna make me some barbecue meatless balls, make me a little barbecue sub, and I'm gonna make me some greens, and I'm gonna have my deviled eggs like I'm out at the barbecue, okay? That's what's really about to go down. But as always, thank you guys for watching. You know what, I'm probably gonna put a shot on my plate that I'm finna make in here somewhere. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, because we need more people in our community. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do a video. All right, loves, see you soon.